My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be a Play by Sephora unboxing video for the month of March. I had decided not to do unboxings because they're just not my most popular videos, but I was already like glammed up and I just got my box today, so I'm like, what the hell, YOLO. So we're gonna be unboxing my Play by Sephora. So if you would like to see what I got for the month of March, keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Pretty please. All right, let's get into it. So if you didn't know, Sephora Play is $10 a month. It's a beauty subscription box, and yeah, let's just get into it. Or is this for February? Oh, maybe it's for February. Wait, it is, just kidding. Okay, so this is my February Play by Sephora. So the first product is this Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in Rhubarb. A high impact lipstick in a rich plum rose color with a soft creamy texture. These lipsticks are amazing. They're very creamy, they're very comfortable, and they're very long wearing as well. That would actually look good with what I'm wearing right now. Okay, I'm not mad at it. So moving right along, the next product is this Milk Makeup Blur Stick. And it says a matte primer stick that minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines. So I have tried this before. I actually have it upstairs and I really do like it. It's, you know, I like that it's a stick. It's super easy to apply. It does an amazing job at blurring and filling in fine lines, and it's not overly drying to the point where I can't wear it with extremely dry skin. All right, moving on. The next product is this Fresh Rose Face Mask. A toning and hydrating gel mask that visibly restores skin radiance and suppleness. I also have this, and this is a really good mask if you are extremely dry. It says this unique cooling mask is a bouquet of goodness for your skin. The refreshing formula moisturizes, soothes, and nurtures skin with real rose petals. It does smell like rose, but then it also has like kind of like a tea scent, like hot tea. Does that sound crazy? But here's what it looks like. You just put it on, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off. It is very hydrating. It's just not my favorite mask. I do notice that my skin is like softer afterwards, but I don't notice like that much of a difference. But so like the Blur Stick and this are going to be going in my pile for a giveaway since I already have them. So the next product, it's this Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And it's a set of gold foil eye masks that brighten and hydrate skin. So I have also used these and they're nice. I like eye masks. I just like always just, I guess, forget about them, forget to do them. I have so many still that I just don't use, but of all the ones I have used, these are good. So let me just do my bonus real quick before I get into the last product, and it is this Stella McCartney perfume in Stella. Oh, I love this perfume so much. I get it from my Scentbird all the time, and I can't tell you how many people have been like, oh my gosh, that smells so good. What are you wearing? When I wear this, every time I wear it, someone says something about it. So it says the soft feminine scent is a homage to the English rose with sharp contrasts in the notes that keep things interesting. Alright, so my last product is this Caudalie Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet, a super light gel cream that hydrates and calms skin. This is an amazing moisturizer, and it's one that's going to work for someone with dry skin or oily skin because it is a gel moisturizer. But even though it's a gel moisturizer, it is so hydrating. It is just so creamy and luxurious. It says you deserve the very best, and this ultra soothing formula is it. It nurtures sensitive skin with organic grape water, comforting chamomile, and antioxidant rich grapeseed. Okay, so besides the Bite Beauty lipstick in this color, I have everything else. So that's good news for you guys because it's gonna go in my giveaway pile. All right, let me know what you guys think about my box from Sephora this month down in the comments. And yeah, all right, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Peace.